and click on this run option. Click on this scratch. It has printed my name here. So today I am starting a new series of Python. In this series I will cover everything about Python. So in this first video I will cover how to run Python string and variables. So I am using ChatGPT as my chatbot. You can use any other chatbot as well. There are so many chatbots, so you can use chatbots as well to do the Python work very quickly. So first of all, you need to download Python in your PC. Open google.com and simply write download Python in PC, and python.org file will open it. Just tap on this and open this, and you can download it from here. So Python is already there in my system. I have already downloaded it. So you can see Python is showing here 3.3 for 64-bit. So you can download it from here. And another thing which you download, which is IDM of Python, you require it, which is I'm using PyCharm. You can use any other as well. So PyCharm is very useful. So just type download PyCharm in PC and open this JetBrains link to download this PyCharm in your system. So you could download it free of cost. So you can download from here for Windows, or if you have any other operating system, you can change the operating system from here. So I'm using Windows, so I have downloaded it for free of course. You can see free forever, and you can simply download it from here. After that, you need to open this PyCharm. After opening it, you need to click on here in files and click on new project, and you can give a name to it, Python file 2 or any other name. Click on create for this window. So this type of window will open up for you. This is the scratch window. So now you can use ChatGPT here. So just open ChatGPT. So I have just opened ChatGPT in my system. I hope you know the basics of ChatGPT and AI chatbots. So after that, these are the strings. Like strings are a text value in quotes. You can see like hello in quote. These are the strings, and variables contains that holds a value, like name equals to my name is Praveen. So this is the basic difference between a string and variable. This is a basic difference. So let's create a command for like create a string for me. So I have just written this, create a string for me, my name is Praveen Gosai. So it will create a string for me. Now this is the string which you copy from here. So after that, you need to get print command. I have written print command for this string. So this is the print command, print the string. I just copy it and paste it here. So print command, this is after that I need to go here in 3 lines and click on run and click on this run option and click on this scratch. It has printed my name here. So I hope now you will be able to print it. So this is the string which I have printed now. Similarly, I can also use my variable. So I just written give me variable, so it will give me a variable. I written now give me print command for this variable. So you need to enter this command here and again go to the run, click on then run again. So it is running my command. So you can get a specific other command, like you can ask for, so I have written like color red command. So it will give me the I will print it in red color. Click on run and then click on print. Let me print it now in red color. Now you can see my name is Praveen showing in red color. So I hope friends now you will be able to use variable in string using ChatGPT and able to run it in Python. So this is the first video. I will cover other videos about Python in my upcoming videos. With the help of ChatGPT, you can learn Python, and I will go through this series and teach you each step-by-step information how it works. So let's go to my PC and see the basics of Python and what are the variables and strings of Python and how to run them.